Making money online with less than $100 is possible, but it requires a lot of hard work and creativity. One way to make money online with a limited budget is to create and sell digital products. You can create an ebook, a course, or even a print-on-demand product like a mug or a t-shirt with a catchy design. To create digital products, you can use free tools like Canva or GIMP to design your product, and then use a platform like Gumroad or Etsy to sell it. With a limited budget, you can focus on creating high-quality products that offer value to your customers. Another way to make money online with less than $100 is to become a freelance writer. If you have excellent writing skills, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need content for their websites or blogs. To get started, you can create a portfolio of your work and offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses in your niche and offer your services directly. With dedication and hard work, you can earn a decent income as a freelance writer. Finally, you can make money online by starting a blog or a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you can create content that educates and entertains your audience. To get started, you can create a blog or a YouTube channel and start publishing content. With a limited budget, you can use free tools like WordPress or YouTube to create and publish your content. Once you have built an audience, you can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. With persistence and creativity, you can turn your blog or YouTube channel into a profitable business.